Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu. This is your Shifu Jason. Today I gotta present you how to become a good fighter without a partner. In this quarantine time, many of us, we cannot fight with a real person. We cannot to fight with our partner, but no power. We still can fight with. We can fight with. Wow. We can still fight with this. Also, we can fight with this. So, let's go. Follow me. I got to show you a couple of ways to training by yourself become good fighter without partner. The first thing we gotta show you how to attack the Tommy's neck by the sticks. So the first thing, you go left hand, go up 45 angle and go down to attack the neck. And right hand go to 45, the same thing, go down, attack the neck. And your elbow go up, we do the same thing, go back. Right, yeah. You see my elbow go up 45, go up, and up 45, go up. So, how you can have bigger power? See this. So the power generates from your heel, so you twist, and also your waist. Watch. So this gives you much more power. Explosive, explosive. Watch. You go, boom, go, so much more power, right? Up, the same thing. You twist this way and go, boom, much more power, and go, boom, more power. Go feet. So you go low and you go middle and then you go high. So the same thing, you can go high and you go middle and you go low. So you can repeat training use that way. So you can really aiming the position you want to attack. Low, middle, high, high, middle, low. So let's do it again. So middle and high. And go. And go. 1, 2, 3. Go speed. Go. To attack the neck. At the same time, you go spinning quick, switch your feet, and then you're turning, you go boom, strike the neck, or you can go attack lower or higher, depends how the person talk, right? The more practice you will feel, so the person, the Tommy or person behind, where they are, where you want to attack exactly. With more training, you're feeling it. So, for example, right there, right? So, the person you go boom, you turn, you know the person behind you. Where's the neck? You actually see it or you feeling it. Right there, right? The same thing you can do other side. Left, and you turn this way, and right, top, go left, right, right, go left, jump, you go one. Assuming this is a real person, they can attack you back. So you always apply on guard position to block and how to avoid they fight back to you. Right? Okay, let's start it. 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is a quick way you can attack both target with good speed and see this. You go boom. So that's good speed. And then you can do reverse side. 1, 2. Right? And then you go 1, 2 from top. You go down. And you same thing the abdomen. And same thing you go up. And same thing you go up. And then you from the top to top. From top 45 go down, or you from down to up 45. So 1, 4, 5. Same thing. And you turn it right, and you go this way. You go this way, and you go back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave a comment below. I see you in the next video.